Joe Beermaster, the Car Master. Here I have a 2019 Toyota Rav4. This goes for multiple years. I'll show you how to take the tail light out to change the bulb or replace the assembly. So if you look inside, there's no access for it. So you actually have to take the bulb out. So when you open the hatch, you'll see these two 10mm bolts. We're going to take them out. And usually it's not just these bolts that hold it in. There's also a pressure pin or a clip. So first thing you want to do is try to loosen it. So there is a clip here. So I just look inside again. So the way to get that is just keep wiggling it. You want to pull with one hand and then hit it this way like that at the same time. You got to work it repetitively with two hands. Here. So I had to hit it several times to get it to slide off. You can see there's a pressure pin there. If you want to change the bulbs, you just unscrew this, pop the bulb out, and replace it. And if you want to replace the assembly, you can just take these both out and replace the assembly and put the bulb sockets back in. The bulbs have a number on it you can get from the local supplier, or you can tell them what it's for, if it's the model of the car, and if it's for a stoplight, reverse light, turn signal, whatever. So you can see the little slide clip here and a little clip there. That's what holds it in. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. I hope this helped, and please subscribe.